what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
Yo, what's good guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so in today's video guys, we're going to be styling boots. I just picked up these boots from Cause right here, the little side zipper detail right here. But yes, I am in love with these boots, and I decided to put together some outfits for you guys, a little fall inspo, a little boot season inspo. But yeah, before we get into the video guys, please smash that like button because it does help the channel more than you know. And yeah, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. First off, it has been my favorite outfit to wear recently. Up top we have the Uniqlo denim jacket, black tee underneath, my crop pants from All Saints, and of course rocking the boots. Like I said, I love this fit, definitely for a night out or a date night outfit. Next outfit is an all black fit. Up top we have this leather overshirt from Zara, black tee underneath, my running black pants rolled up at the bottom, and the boots. Paired this with all silver accessories with the rings, bracelet, and link chain. Next fit is another low-key favorite. If you're regulars of the channel, you know I rock with this jacket heavy. So up top, we have the boxy suit jacket from ASOS, white tee underneath, my black running pants rolled up a bit, and the boots. I'm loving the gray and black combo, and it's definitely another night out with friends or date night outfit. Next fit is a bit casual, at least more casual than the others so far. Up top we have the Cold Buxton sweatshirt, white tee under, my black running pants, and the boots. Definitely a more cozy fit, but it can still give off a dressed up vibe. Take off the sweatshirt and tuck in the shirt, and you have another outfit right there. Alright, trying something new here. Personally, I never would have thought I would be into faux leather pants, but here we are. And actually, I love this fit. Up top, we have the ASOS oversized ripped sweater. On bottom, brown faux leather pants from ASOS as well, and my Cause boots. I preach about trying different styles and just being yourself, so take it from me. Don't be scared to try new things because you just might end up loving it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe if you want more content. And yeah, thank you guys so much for the ongoing support. I love y'all. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and catch the next one. Peace.